So the next question I got a lot is about adding homeworks. So I'm going to go to my assignments. On the assignment tab, I'm going to do add assignment. And let's say I want to do homework. And I'm going to say homework week 5. This was week 5. And I'm going to put assign date as yesterday. And proposed due date was today, and let's say I'm going to do max score of 5. Now, for homework, you can not only do the math, but if you want to do the language art, you can all do that at the same time, and you can do that on the class option. So remember that class options are the one that you can do, so you can assign the same assignment to the multiple classes. So let's say I'm just going to do for math, and then I'm going to do save and back. Now when I go back, I'm going to click on one of the asterisks, and this shows up. Now for me to do not counting towards the grade, but I still want to post the grade in terms of like I want the parents to see the score but not count it towards the actual class grade. I'm going to click on assign no count on the side. So I'm going to click on that. That means everybody won't be counted towards their grade, but it will still show up on the parents skyward or student skyward. So I'm going to click on that and click apply. Notice how everything is not counted now. And also you can put this child's assignment was late. I can put the late special code is right here, and your grades and everything, you can put it on the side. And then also comments again, you can put comments if you want. If you look at the mass assign options, you can do a lot of things with it. If I want to put everybody on assigned score of 5, I can do that and apply it, and everyone will actually have the score of 5. Or I can adjust the scores or remove the scores, remove no count or remove missing, anything that you want to do. So I'm going to actually go back because I don't want to save what I did. And if you want to delete it, simply you can click on the actual assignment title, and you can either edit, clone, or delete. You can also put the report, pull the report, and do a lot of things. So I'm going to actually delete this because I don't want that on my students' access. So that's how you do your homework if you want to post it on Skyward, but you don't want it to count towards your student's score. So this is the easiest way we found. They also talked about doing the check mark or not, which I should have showed you. But when you do the add assignment, you can actually do the show result as check, percent, or grade mark. So whatever you want to do, it will show on there. So any questions, please let me know. Thank you.